But there's other cognitive biases that we're not as conscious about, such as there's one called Maslow's hammer, where you kind of default to one tool being the solution for all problems. So in companies, sometimes that can be things like surveys or studies. They say, well, we'll do a study that'll give us the answer and then we can move on, when maybe that challenge, that situation requires a different tool. Or another one that I find very interesting is called bike shedding. And this has to do with a hypothetical scenario where there was an executive team that had to make two decisions. And one was about approving a nuclear power plant blueprint. And the other one that was about the company bicycle shed and what color it should be. Right? A very complicated decision and an easy decision. And the group actually spent very, very little time on the complicated decision and an exponentially larger amount of time on the easy decision, which was the color of the bike shed. Because complicated things, especially, collectively in a group, but also individually, take a lot more cognitive brain power to process. So it's easy to debate and discuss and, take a lot of time with simple decisions because they're easier to digest. So these shortcuts we do sometimes thwart our best decisions, and emotion thwarts our best decisions as consumers. So as businesses, we need to consider these, kind of human, behavioral economics, behavioral science concepts, instead of solely looking at data and past behaviors and believing customers will just do more of the same.
Wow. This is like every time I hear a cognitive bias, I feel like really starting an introspection within me because I myself don't know when I'm doing it.